Hi students, just a quick scheduling note that one of your classmates brought to my attention, and I want to very quickly share with you. If you log into our course in PAUSE for BUSN 1360, click on the content link. Under content, there you will find documents that I distribute to you in class, but perhaps other supplemental information. And in a hybrid class where we are only meeting half the time and only one day a week, this can be very important. One of the things that you'll see here is the schedule that I frequently refer to in class, because this is actually what I use to prepare for the class, and when I'm grading and I say what is supposed to be due at this point. So when I open this, and of course you have a printout that you received in class, I'm just going to scroll through it because goodness, week 1 seems like 1,000 years ago, doesn't it? In fact, we're starting week 9, just for your personal information. Let's see. So here as I get to let me stop and say week 8. As I scroll down to the bottom, it says, okay, here's what I have due, in fact, in this case by tomorrow night, Excel Case 2, Excel 3 Simulator, and your reading to prepare for the quiz. And notice that that is due October 23rd, which is a Tuesday. And as you scroll down, here's what we're going to do in class this week, week 9. So you get to see that. We'll start with that quiz and all that good stuff. And oops, I have a copy and paste error. That's exactly what happened there. When I copy and pasted the schedule and I went through and did my updates, I forgot to change this to Tuesday, and this should be October 30th. Now, here's the very good news. In PAUSE, the date was correctly set to Tuesday, October 30th, which of course, if you worked ahead and if you're getting this done early, you just really, gave yourself a little time because you worked ahead. But in my IT lab, one of your very astute classmates noticed that, just like for the Excel 3 training simulator, that I had the due date on the 23rd. So it looked like in my IT lab that your due dates, that you had 2 simulators due tomorrow night. I have corrected that in my IT lab, and you will see now that your Excel 4 training simulator is due Tuesday, October the 30th. So not the 23rd, the 30th, okay? Thank you very much for bringing that to my attention. I will announce it in class, and of course if you have worked ahead on your Excel 4 training simulator, it just puts you that much more ahead. All right, so I hope that helps. Keep looking at the schedule, because every week this is what our class goes by, right, all the way through to the end. I did the schedules correct from that point forward, but ooh, look at this. Looking ahead, look at this. When we get into PowerPoint, you're going to have 2 chapters due at a certain point. So keep an eye on this schedule. This is so important. Especially you can use this to make your personal calendar so that you combine the due dates with anything else that you have, family obligations, work obligations, other class obligations that you may have, so that you have it all together. And hopefully this printable schedule helps you organize in that way. So thanks very much, and look forward to seeing you all this Wednesday.